Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with my pattern after I finish the projects and keep them for next project. So first I'm taking my pattern first, and then I'm taking a kind of like a thin cardboard, and that's the last thing, so we'll put it on the side. Now I'm gonna get ready the cardboard and place my patterns the way I wanted to fit all of them. I'm gonna also use the school glue and place on edges first and then in the middle. And that's how I glue each of them, front, back, and the detail. I will leave them 2 minutes to dry and then I'm gonna cut them all. Alright, now our pattern is ready. I'm gonna take a punch hole and make holes and take a ribbon, put them all together. And now our pattern is ready for our next projects. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.